So hello everybody. Hello everybody. Yes. So I'm very honored to be here. My first, the first meeting, RISC-V meeting I attended, the first conference was in this very city. It was at BSC in 2018. It was very surprising to me, very lively, lots of engagement and lots of interesting discussion and all that. So I was hooked up from that day. So I will try to go briefly about how did we get there, how do we got to the point where we are today, all of us. Oops. All right. Yes. So basically, there have been several instances of various small conferences throughout Europe. And what we've been doing is during the summer of last year, we gathered together 3 of them from Spain, France, and Germany, and tried to see if we could make something together to build something at the European level. So we started to put in place some structuration. So basically, we started work on the steering committee, program committee, and the local committee, which have been doing a great job since then. We extended the community throughout the continent, so we brought in individuals from Austria, Belgium, Greece, Latvia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, and UK. And when we were okay with that, we went to see RISC-V and see to see if we to make something together. So we started discussion in the fall about that. So we. So we quickly reached an agreement on that, and we worked since very nicely together. And then we took the decision to select Barcelona as a city for the event of this year. We decided also on a format with half a day or a full day, 3 days of real conference, and then because of This is Europe, there's lots of collaborative projects going on. We thought that it would be interesting to have a special day, so that's going to be Friday for project, workshops, dissemination events from a publicly funded project. And we put in place a call for contributions to which will bring some of the presentation that you will see during those 3 days and the poster that will be presented in the various exhibition areas. So there we are. So that's how do we got to this RISC-V Summit Europe. So who are we? Who is attending? So we have more than 512 people registered. Actually, it's 533 as of this morning. Lots of people from throughout Europe, and including a strong delegation from China, from United Arab Emirates, from Pakistan, Israel, Turkey, South Korea. So really a worldwide audience coming there. So in terms of who is joining, so there is a 3-to-1 ratio of people familiar with RISC-V software compared to people familiar with RISC-V hardware. And there are 20% of people which basically haven't yet started to work on RISC-V. So that's newcomers to that. So before giving the floor to Teresa and Daniel, I want to put some emphasis on a personal note. I'm a software engineer by profession. I'm on the green green part. So what I like in RISC-V is the ability to negotiate with the people from the hardware to put the hardware a bit more this way, so that it's more practical and not amenable to compilation, for instance, rather than put it this way. So for the people which are involved in software, operating systems, compilers, and all that, that's your chance to discuss with the hardware guys and to negotiate how the platform should be done. That's really what I enjoy about RISC-V and its openness. So again, I would like to thank the sponsor which made this event possible. So you will see their booth in the 3 rooms where the lunch and breaks will be delivered. And that's all for me as of today. So I leave the floor to Daniel and Teresa.